This video will teach you the few ways to wrap text or curve text around an image or object to make a design easier to read. Thanks for checking out Pro Canva. Let's dive in. First, let's use our text effect to curve our text around a shape or image. You'll select the text you want to manipulate. Then select Effects from the toolbar above. Then you'll select Curve. You can then move the text around like you would with any text. The key here is using the slider in the left panel to change the tightness of the curve in your text. Change it to match the circle or image you're curving it around, and then place it. You can also add other effects to the same text if you'd like. If you want to wrap text around an image of a unique shape, like an outline here, a simple, quick option is to move your text box to where you want it, like this. And then you simply hit the Enter key, or Shift-Enter, on each line of text to put that text on a new line, making room for image. This is simple and works for a lot of the cases in which you need to manipulate text. If you find these sorts of tips helpful, check out our channel and subscribe. You'll find full tutorials and tip videos, with new videos coming out each week, making you a pro at Canva.